Ever pondered over the possibility of earning a fortune online using cryptocurrencies? If so, you're in the right place. Welcome to Invest Plus One, the channel that unlocks the secrets of the digital currency world. Step one in this exciting journey is understanding what cryptocurrencies are. Born from the digital realm, cryptocurrencies are virtual or digital currencies that use cryptography for security. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of other altcoins available. Step two is doing your homework. Research is a critical component of investing in cryptocurrencies. Look at the market capitalization, price volatility, and the technology behind the currency. Remember, knowledge is power. Step three, build a diverse portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different cryptocurrencies. This helps to mitigate risks and enhance potential rewards. Step four, secure your investments. Cryptocurrencies are stored in digital wallets. Ensure you use wallets with robust security features. Keep your private keys confidential and remember to back up your wallet. Step five, stay informed. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile. Regularly monitor your investments and the market trends. Use reliable news sources and consider joining online forums and communities for up-to-date information. Now let's summarize the key points about making money online with cryptocurrencies. Firstly, cryptocurrencies are digital assets that can be a lucrative investment if handled correctly. Secondly, thorough research and understanding of the cryptocurrency market are vital before making any investment. Thirdly, diversifying your portfolio can help spread risk and potentially increase your returns. Fourthly, securing your investment is crucial. Use secure wallets and protect your private keys. Finally, staying informed about market trends and changes is essential for making sound investment decisions. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies can be highly rewarding, but it also carries risk. So tread carefully, arm yourself with knowledge, and you might just find that cryptocurrencies are your ticket to making money online. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of cryptocurrencies. This is Invest Plus One, your guide to navigating the digital currency landscape.